Have you ever wondered how to make money with CPAGrip and SEO? Today we'll unravel this mystery for you. CPAGrip, a premier incentive affiliate network, offers a multitude of monetization options for savvy digital marketers. On the other side of the coin we have SEO, an acronym for search engine optimization, a technique that amplifies the visibility of a website in search engine results, driving more traffic and potential revenue. Understanding these two can open up a new avenue for generating income. So are you ready to dive in? First, let's understand how to use CPAGrip effectively. Start by signing up for an account. It's a straightforward process, just like signing up for any other online platform. The real game begins once you're in. You see, CPAGrip offers a myriad of cost per action, or CPA, offers. Choosing the right one is crucial. Look for offers that align with your audience's interests and needs. Creating an effective landing page is the next step. It's your digital storefront, the first thing your visitors see, so make it count. Use compelling copy, engaging visuals, and a clear call to action, but it doesn't stop there. Tracking is integral to your success. CPAGrip provides detailed analytics to help you monitor your campaign's performance. Use this data to tweak and optimize your strategies, ensuring maximum ROI. Once you've mastered CPAGrip, the next step is to drive traffic to your offers. That's where SEO comes into play. Now, let's understand how SEO can boost your income from CPAGrip. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a set of strategies designed to improve your online visibility. At its core, it involves three main components: keyword research, content creation, and link building. Keyword research is like deciphering a code, understanding what your potential customers are searching for online. It's about finding the right terms or phrases that align with your CPAGrip offers. Next, content creation is about providing valuable information that incorporates these keywords. Producing high-quality, engaging content is key, as it encourages visitors to stay on your page and explore your offers. Lastly, link building helps to establish your page's authority and credibility. High-quality backlinks from reputable sources can dramatically enhance your site's visibility in search engine results. These techniques, when applied effectively, can increase the visibility of your CPAGrip offers, leading to more conversions and a higher income. By combining CPAGrip with effective SEO strategies, you can create a powerful income stream. So let's recap what we've learned today. We've delved into CPAGrip, an efficient monetization platform, and SEO, a powerful tool for driving traffic. We discovered that by combining these two elements, we can create potent campaigns that drive income. The beauty of this synergy is that it not only boosts your current earnings, but also sets the groundwork for long-term profitability. Remember, patience and consistency are key. Start experimenting with CPAGrip and SEO today and watch your income grow. Good luck!